now, it was an interesting week, lots happened. Here's the Intense 5. Maca Diamond has gone over to the OnlyFans platform. She says it's all about the shmonies. Girl, get your coin. It's gonna get macadocious over there. Nicki Minaj is a mommy. She gave birth on Wednesday in LA but hasn't revealed the name or sex of the baby just yet. Dexter. Secret concerts in New York and all these things? Well, he came under fire as pictures surfaced from not one, but 2 concerts that apparently didn't follow the regulations set out by NYC. However, it wasn't an illegal show, they had a permit. Donald Trump and his wife have tested positive for COVID-19. They're both in quarantine and he says they will recover together. And finally, holding the spot this week, One Love sounds so good when all the judges from The Voice sing it.
So shall it be at the end? All right. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel all right.
Makes me extra proud to be Jamaican. Yes. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment.